So man, it's kind of crazy. It feels like fake sneakers are everywhere. Open up any of your social media apps, whether it's Instagram, TikTok, or even Twitter, 9 times out of 10, more so than likely, you're gonna run across some fake sneakers. Plus, you got high profile lawsuits such as Nike suing StockX for allegedly selling fakes. You got fake sneaker authenticators who apparently can tell the difference between real and fake from sight, touch, and by smelling the products. And then you got others who would say that fake sneakers are actually made in the very same factories that say the real products are made in. So I would say here in 2025, it feels like more so than ever, the line between real and fake has never been more blurred. So what exactly are fake sneakers? Well, that's a good question. Essentially, fakes are exactly what you would think. They're knockoffs, they're bootlegs of the official product, which I would say back in the day, bro, like the fakes were nasty. At the flea market, you would run across like them SpongeBob joints, the clear, invisible Jordans. You guys know the unofficial colorways, kind of like something like you would see right here in this clip. Nah, not the off-whites.
Let's go in here, Sophie. Come on. Oh, snap. Look
Nah,
at
they
that.
got every brand.
Pharrell is working overtime.
Got the Louis Superstars.
The Louis Vuitton.
Pharrell, don't drop them joints right there.
The Louis Vuitton shell toes.
See, this is what I think about when I think of fake sneakers.
Look at that.
For real, we do not need those right there.
This stuff is not real. But we'll get you.
I don't even know what those joints are.
Travis Scott reverse check 3s.
Nah, the Travis Scott 3s are diabolical, y'all. Nike, do not get any ideas.
This is crazy.
Them joints are horrible.
Yeah. This is nuts. Okay. Telling you, Pharrell is well represented in here. The
Supreme Air Forces.
Air Forces.
Box logo joints. Y'all need them?
I'm not gonna say it. However, they're not Nikes.
Nah, that's wild.
These are Nicky Dunks.
What are those, like Dunk Air Force Ones, bruh?
Hilarious.
Hybrids? Bro, if Nike drops the Dunk Air Force One, bruh, it's over with.
I remember those.
I can't,
These
man.
Mosquito something SBs.
Off-white? Nah.
Hilarious.
Nasty, bruh.
Instead of SBSN.
So of course you got the clear and blatant fakes like the ones I mentioned back in the day, the clear SpongeBob joints, the off-brand colors that never were officially released. But nowadays, what if I told you that most of the first official looks that you see on any of those social media apps, which I mentioned earlier, would happen to be fake? So hear me out. So coming up next year, spring of 2026, it has now been confirmed that we do have 3 colorways of the upcoming Fragment Union Air Jordan 1 High collaboration, a shoe which the hype beasts, the resellers, you know, everybody's going to be going crazy for these early next year. Now, there have been multiple different pairs floating around, but based off the official looks that we're supposed to be receiving, you got 3 different colorways coming here, right? So you got the white black, you got the black navy sport royal sail, and then you have lastly the black white varsity red sport royal, which out of all 3 of these will probably be the ones that are most in demand. So here we go. First up, this is the black blue pair, which was spotted as of recently. So you got a mixture of the royals with the midnight navy upper is what it looks like right here. So them joints are definitely looking pretty cool, man. Not bad at all, right? Now next up, you have the other pair which has surfaced, simply just the white and black pair. This one's a little more plain Jane, which I kind of see where they're going with it. You guys know Fragment. They really just keep things simple. And then lastly, this pair right here, the little black white varsity red sport royal, this colorway has actually never surfaced. It has not leaked, an official image at least, but this mock-up image apparently is supposed to be what this sneaker actually looks like. So I would say these joints ain't bad, a lot better than that original first pair which we saw floating around, which happens to be this one right here. Now, I can't find it right now, but Jordan Brand Insider, Mr. Unloved Ones, he actually confirmed that this pair actually was never in production, never produced by Union, Fragment, or Jordan Brand. So what's the deal with this pair? Like, if they never produced these, they're not samples or anything, like, where did these joints come from? And the only thing I could think of is that apparently they're fake. And on top of that, I'm seeing all the early pair sellers having these, which is kind of crazy, because how could there be like a full size run of these joints when they're fake and they were never produced, right? So kind of crazy, right? And as far as this very first look, this dude right here, he pretty much posts a lot of the first looks. Like anytime we got a new sneaker coming out, it's usually posted by this dude right here, which usually gets picked up by all the major sneaker blogs. I mean, these sneakers right here were posted by all your favorite sneaker blogs as the official first look of the Union Fragment Nike Air Jordan 1 High. But apparently these joints are fake, never went into production, they're not even samples. So it's just kind of crazy, man. As I mentioned, the line between real and fake is more blurred than it's ever been. And how people claim that, you know, the fake sneakers are produced in the same factories that the real ones are produced in, that's something that I never really believed. But I ain't gonna lie, nowadays with all the stuff that I'm seeing, I'm kind of starting to believe that. And when it comes to these fake products, bro, like, are they actually a one of one to the real deal thing? Man, even if they are, here in the sneaker community, it's kind of just been like a untalked about thing, but everybody knows that they don't rock with fake sneakers. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at a clip here from Conceited NYC on his take.
Quick PSA real quick. Yeah, I don't know if y'all niggas think people gonna be jacking that and on your side and be like, yo, who cares if they're fake? No, that. Yes, we can. That's whack. You're heard. No, nigga. Like, that's it. I don't want to hear shit about, nigga, this person said that they're from the... No, nigga, they're Fugaga, they're Fugaga. Don't try to sugarcoat it, ain't no way around it, nigga. Like, y'all niggas don't... You're a bird. Like, y'all don't have to come in the world that we in. Y'all stay in your old world. Don't try to come over here and tell niggas that it's okay. No, if y'all want to do that, cool, but y'all go over there. Don't act like it's okay or acceptable or... No, nigga. This is a culture that... the whole, whoever is into the shit, built and stand on B-I-Z, and that's what we're gonna do, alright? Niggas is herbs. And I know, yeah, I mean, I know people be like, yo, who the fuck is this guy? Who cares what he says? I don't give a yeah, shit. You don't have to care. You don't have to care. You're still a bird if you do it. Since it was never, ever in the sneaker culture, it was never accepted. Fakes was never accepted, never has, never will be. Then the people be like, yo, I mean, shit, I don't care. Yeah, whatever, I'm gonna do it. Good. Stay over there with it. But look, here's the thing. Y'all do it now because I guess, you know, fakes look better. I mean, they're harder to tell, so that's why y'all do it. But y'all know it's Fugaga in your heart, right? So let me ask you something. If these shits looked crazy, looked horrible, they looked obviously fake, would you still wear them? Don't say, well, no, I wouldn't then. Because that just proves, don't say you don't care what people think. You care what people think. That's why you're getting the ones that look closest to the realest shit. Now, you would get the super up looking joints, right? Because you don't care. But you wouldn't do that. You just would not get it and get something that you could get your hands on instead, right?